Hi guys, today we are making an origami video about the F-22 Raptor. Let's go. First, let me set up my camera. This is the area where I would like. It's kind of full. Yeah, this is the paper I'm using. It's mulberry paper. It's a very thin sheet of paper. Anyways, okay, let's fold this corner all the way diagonally to this corner. Like this, take this, it will go here to this diagonal point over here. Let me rotate it, and then you will be able to crease it all the way through. Okay, so let me do it. So your point should be basically matching like this, and yeah, this is the plumpy bubble side. You need to fold this down and be accurate whenever you're doing such things. Okay, I'm gonna fold this. It's a very thin paper, so you may not need that much pressure to fold it, but it's okay. Yeah, sorry for the view, my hand is in the way. Okay, let me just adjust it. Yeah, so as you can see, camera twist, the paper should be like this. These are the extra stuff. The only thing I need is the coin folding and a mechanical pencil for marking at the last part. So there we are going to fold. Okay, let me search a little bit. Let me search it. Wait. Let me search it because I'm making this without seeing. Wait. Yeah, I'm back. Oh, searching. Yeah, my brother actually made one of these versions in school, but it was a little bit simpler. And you want to take this area, this corner, and fold it up to this corner over here. Let's do it. As you can see, this corner here will go and match here. And make sure that that thing or whatever, and if you're doing this step, make sure to be careful. You need to fold it. This part of the coin, the corner part of the coin, I know it's 20 rupees coin. This part of the coin should be used. Just imitating. Sorry for my hand in the way. Yeah. And then you may want to open this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, this video is only for people who are very experienced and know how to make origami. And you will take this whole flap. Wait, let me open. See the opening? You want to squash fold this along this line. Not like this, but along this line. And you want this corner, while squash folding, you want this corner to match up with the center of this corner. So that's what we want here. Okay, so you have to open the model. This is the inside part. You have to open the model like this. This is the second flap, the first flap. You need to open this, put the first flap down, and hold it and hold it like this. This is the opening, this is the filigree flap. This is the opening, so you want to put this corner, right here, right over on the tip. I know the line is not straight, but that's okay. And you want this edge of the paper, the top edge, you can see, to land on this corner area. So basically it will not lie much flatly because, oh no, I thought it was parchment paper because my brother made it with the parchment paper, and this part of the fold was not as clean because parchment paper is a little bit thicker and it's a very rough sheet of paper. So your model should basically look like this. Open this, should look like this. Then turn the model over, and then you see this flap. Let me pick it up. It's getting creased. This flap, you want to do that exact same thing you did here on this fold, on this flap. The exact same thing. Okay, so let's do it. Just want to repeat that exact same thing. And on this paper, on the mulberry paper, it's a little hard to reverse the folds. I know that first flap was easy because it didn't have two flaps, but still, it's hard to reverse the folds. It should basically will be looking like this. I know the paper is getting in the way, I'm sorry. Wait. I know this is an easy fold, but it's taking a lot of time because the paper is a little, I think I used the wrong sheet of mulberry paper. There are 3 different mulberry paper levels. So this is level 3, the lightest paper. Because in the F-22 model, there is many hundreds of folds. It will take basically 1 hour. It should look like this. When you open it, it should look like this. You can also use the water bomb base to do it. And then if this side doesn't look neat enough for you, you can flip and do it on this side. But I'm doing on this. You need to take one of this flap and fold it into the middle like this way. So this is the flap. It's going to the center of the paper. This is the center. This is the center. And so this will go to the center of the paper. You have to crease it sharply. Like this. It should look like this. And repeat that same step. I'm just turning the paper because I'm comfortable. Repeat that same step on the other side. This part got folded. And now you wanna mark with your pencil. Take a mechanical pencil and you wanna mark these 2 points. You wanna mark this point and this point. You want to mark this point over here and this point over here. So let's mark it. You can see you need to unfold the flaps first. Then you have to mark this point like this. That's one. And go to the other side. Here should be on the lower edge. And mark this point. Then use a scale and draw a line between. See? Use a scale and draw a line in between this. Like this. like so. And then already you can see it's folding. You see, if you have the reflection, if you have a good lighting, you can see this line. And you need to fold along that line to make the crease straight. And then you want to fold this line over here to this line. You see, this corner should fold it not like this. Fold it, take this corner and match it like this along this edge, the raw edge. It should match like this. Repeat that same step on the other side. Yeah, and also make sure it matches on this area. My one didn't match much. Let me do it. Yeah, it should basically match like this. Do that following step on the other side. And now you want to take this edge, this flap here, and fold it along the line like this. So this is the flap. You see this crease here, to fold it like this. So basically you want to make this edge go to this edge. And this is only part one. There are many parts. There are like 3 parts of this. So repeat the same step on the other side. Unfold both of these and make this edge go here like that, this. So this like this, and do it on the other side. Yeah, so it should look like this. Now you see these areas, you need to fold it like that on the same area. You need to fold it. And do it on the other side as well, like here. Sorry for taking the paper out of the screen. So this is part 1. Let's see you in part 2.